It's the training, sir!
They didn't really do it.
It's alright. Start the flat? I don't know. Security.
They didn't really differentiate.
You know, Rick, it's all the same. I need you guys to vote once and vote
You gotta
loud.
show of hands. You gotta just show of hands.
Show of hands?
Somebody lost the sound. Raise your hand if you want to vote for that.
I won. I got no ears. I win.
Somebody's getting this going.
Make noise, make noise.
Make
for
noise,
only one.
only one.
Yeah.
Skylar, shut up. All right, competitor number one. Yeah. Competitor number two. Competitor number three. Competitor number four. Competitor number T-Rex.
Y'all bitches better say something or I'm deflating T-Rex.
Competitor number six.
Lewis.
Lewis.
He's dead. He's got him.
Thank you. Thank you, everybody. This was a lot of fun. I think I'm going to take my hobby horn.
Bullshit.
Fucking walls bigger than Lewis.
I'm blaming it on the height. What?
T-Rex has got to go.
T-Rex wins by default. Your tail.
This thing is rated for dinos. This is rated for dinosaur.
You got another stock around?